Hey everyone, I'm Bryan Jacobs, one of the principal partners of RealSmart Properties. At RealSmart, we work as a team to help our clients sell their property or find their next home. We love the Pixel 7 Pro because, like us, it combines a multitude of features to create the best business experience. I'm on the phone my entire workday, talking to buyers and sellers and my team. My Pixelbuds Pro allow me to take calls knowing I'll be able to hear and be heard much better no matter the setting. My Google Pixel Watch keeps me up to date, meaning I never miss a notification and have the ability to respond to texts and emails directly from my watch. When I'm on the go, Google Assistant makes it convenient to check events on my calendar and set reminders with just my voice. Hey Google, when's my next meeting?
Next up, you have Show Dan and Susu the House today at 1:15 p.m.
Taking high quality pictures of properties we sell is super crucial. Photosphere mode helps us convey the entirety of the space in a single shot. Plus, Magic Eraser allows us to edit out unwanted objects in our photos just with the tip of a finger. With Pixel in our pockets, we're capable of doing more to help our clients navigate these life-changing experiences. It's the perfect tool for our multi-talented, collaborative team. All right, well done.